Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is FY and today I have something extra special for you, a dazzling golden glitter eyeshadow tutorial that is perfect for ringing in the new year with style. So grab your makeup brushes and let's dive into this glamorous look. First step is to prime your lids either with a primer or concealer, whatever you prefer, and set it with the setting powder to prepare a clean canvas for eyeshadow application. Take a neutral color and apply it on your crease area with the help of a fluffy brush to create a transition shade, which will help us achieve the seamless blend as we move from lighter to darker shade. Then take a deep brown color on a small blending brush and apply it on your crease area. Then take a clean blending brush and buff that out as well. For an intense black color, use gel eyeliner and apply it on your outer V area with the help of a fine brush. And don't worry if it looks like a mess right now. Trust the process and it will be all set. To lock the black gel eyeliner on place, take a black eyeshadow and apply it with the help of a fluffy brush. This will set the gel eyeliner and it will not smudge over time. Now take a medium brown color like this and apply it on your crease area and at the edge of a black color. After that, it is time for cut crease. Take a concealer and with the help of a very fine brush, apply it along the curvature of your eyelid. Don't worry if it is your first time. Do small and careful strokes and you will be fine. After the crease is cut, take this golden eyeshadow and pat it onto the lid using a flat synthetic brush. Build it up gradually for desired intensity. The cut crease we created will really help the color to pop out. Now take a brown eyeshadow and apply it on the center of golden and black eyeshadow to create a seamless transition and to remove any harshness that can be there. Now time to add some magic. Take a golden glitter and with the help of a very fine brush, create a thin line along your crease. Apply dark brown eyeshadow on the outer half of your lower lash line and smoke that out. Then apply golden shade on the inner corner of your eye to create a cohesive look. Enhance the glamour with a sleek winged eyeliner. Whether you prefer a subtle flick or a bold wing, it adds a classic finish to this festive look. Complete the eye makeup with your favorite pair of false lashes and a coat of volumizing mascara. And there you have it, a stunning golden glitter eyeshadow look that is perfect for welcoming the new year. Thanks for watching.